say hello to the animals. So our little dog is going round the farm and visiting all the animals. Let's see who he meets. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Ready, steady, off we go. Round the farm to say hello. What's that nibbling, half asleep? Say hello to the dozy sheep. Hello sheep, ba, ba, ba. Here's the sty, not very big. Say hello to the little pink pig. Hello pig. Who's on the fence beside her pen? Say hello to the speckly hen. Hello hen. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Look who's hiding under those sticks. Say hello to the fluffy chicks. Hello chicks. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Look in the barn. Who's in here now? Say hello to the friendly cow. Hello cow. Moo, moo, moo. Who's that paddling in the muck? Say hello to the splashy duck. Hello duck. Quack, quack, quack. Who's in the stable? Yes, of course. Say hello to the hungry horse. Hello horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh. What a lot of animals, oh my. Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye cow. Moo, moo, moo. Goodbye pigs. Goodbye hen. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Goodbye chicks. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Goodbye sheep. Ba, ba, ba. Goodbye duck. Quack, quack, quack. Goodbye horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh.